In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the search engine on Brave browser. If you prefer using a different search engine instead of the default one in Brave browser, you can easily customize it through the settings. This allows you to choose the search provider that best fits your browsing preferences, whether it's for speed, privacy, or search results you are more familiar with. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change it directly inside the browser. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and make sure you're on the main window. Once the browser is ready, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the main menu icon. Click on it to open the list of browser options and settings. From the menu, scroll down until you find the Settings option and select it. This will take you to Brave's main configuration page where you can adjust different aspects of how the browser works and behaves. Once you're inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand side panel. Here you'll see several categories. Locate and click on the option labeled Search Engine. This section controls how Brave handles search queries in both normal and private browsing windows. After entering the Search Engine section, you will see the current default search engine listed under normal browsing mode. It is usually set to Brave by default. To change it, click on the option labeled Change. This will open a list of available search engines that you can choose from. Take a moment to browse through the list and select your preferred search engine. Once you've made your selection, confirm it by setting it as the default option. This ensures that all your future searches in normal browsing mode will use the search engine you selected. If you also want to apply the same change to private browsing windows, you can adjust the private search engine setting in the same section. Simply repeat the selection process for private windows so that both browsing modes use your preferred search provider. After making your changes, you can close the settings page. The new search engine will now be active and will be used whenever you perform a search from the address bar. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the search engine in Brave browser and customized it to better suit your browsing needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.